So to begin, I'm going to take some food color, and I have 4 different containers here. These can be glasses, these just happen to be mason jars, so it doesn't matter what you use. Plastic is fine too, even disposable glasses are good. So within each jar, I'm going to put coloring. Now, when you put it in, I have found that the more you use, the darker the color comes. So I would use anywhere between 15 to 20 drops. Once you have your colors set up, it's just a matter of taking your flowers. These are carnations, but I have used other flowers in the past. This is an inexpensive way to do this craft, and the kids love the look of carnations. So because every container is a little bit different, you're going to take it, and I just usually put my flower up against it to see how short I need to cut it. And then I will cut it at the stem. And then what I do is I put a little bit of an extra cut at the bottom just to open up the stem. That helps absorb the color a little bit better. And you just go ahead and put it in your jar or your glass. And that's what I'm going to do with each one. And then this is what they'll look like when they're all set up. Each jar has 1 flower, or you can put 2 flowers in there depending on how much of a bouquet you want. So the longer you let it sit, the darker the colors will get. These that I made earlier, these were 2 days of sitting in the jars. So I love the colors. You can see there. They came out really nice. And that's about there is to this. And then the kids can learn about different colors, and you can have a beautiful bouquet at the end. Now, the second experiment that I had about teaching kids different colors is using paper towels. The same jars you can use, and what I'll show you is you take the paper towels and you want to cut them into strips. So I'm going to do that. All right, so I cut them in half and then I folded them because I like a little bit more paper between the jars. And what this experiment does is it teaches kids not only colors, but if you blend colors, you make a new color. So that's a pretty neat way to do it. Now, the way I've got this set up, this is my blue, this is my green, yellow, and the red. And for the adults, you already know what kind of colors will probably come between the blue and the red, and the yellow and the red, and we'll see what happens between the yellow and the green. So what you're going to do is just fold it up a little bit, and you're going to put it in each color, okay? And it happens pretty fast because they absorb quickly. Paper towels do that. I'm going to put one in here. And I'll take another one, and I'll put it in the middle, and we'll see what happens. So you're going to put them in, and you're going to let them sit for a while, and we'll see what happens in about a half an hour. And if this works, we should get some pretty cool results. You can also make this into a circle, but for the camera, I just made it straight. It's a little easier for you to see, but you kind of get the idea, and I'll show you the results. So now it's been about 20 minutes, and you can see kind of what's going on is that the colors are blending. If I let it sit for a little bit longer, it'll start changing the colors in the middle. So right now it's mostly blue. You can see a little bit of purple forming over here. I've got a little bit of orange in places, a little yellowish green here. So it kind of gives kids an idea of when you mix colors, you can form new ones. So it's kind of a cool experiment, but that pretty much takes care of today. I do like the flower one particularly, so that was kind of cute. But if you give any of them a try, let us know. Until next time, thanks for joining me. Take care, stay safe, see you in the library. Bye.